simple thought about how to hold the pick. You put it between your thumb and your index. First thing you should know, squeeze all your hand like that, like if you want to punch someone in the face. Relax your hand so it should look somewhat like this. I just put my pick right here on the middle, on the index, and put my thumb on it like this. So there's a little angle here with the thumb, and after that you can relax the 3 other fingers, and you have something like this. Just squeeze your hand, remove your thumb, place the pick there, hold it with your thumb, and relax the other fingers. Like that. You will adjust it a little bit just to be